Now that we've identified the parts of the passage that discuss the main ideas, I can write a problem statement for the problem-solution text structure. A large portion of the world's population live in poverty, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa, where poverty has increased. This is the best way to describe the problem because it tells specifically about the problem. I can also write a solution statement. Solutions to this problem include investing in education and healthcare, employing laborers, and for lenders to relieve developing countries' debts. Lastly, this solution leads to increased funds for the poor and increased services and resources such as education and healthcare. So I can also write a statement about that. Now that we have identified the key components of the problem-solution text structure, we can take a second pass through the passage to look for things that influence the problem and the solution. Understanding these help us better understand why the problem occurs as well as why the solution is proposed or works.